Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And
So just
top, yeah.
okay. Hello everyone. I'm Nissy from Accsoon, and I have some exciting new products from us. This will be a CineView M7 PRO, a 7-inch wireless monitor receiver with transmission, so wireless monitor with transmission functions built in. We have also here M7, so it's a pure on-camera monitor, and so both models equipped with 7-inch touchscreen, and we have all a lot like monitoring functions built in, including the squeeze, false color, the LUT. You can also build burn-in the LUT while you're doing all the recording and even outputting with the LUT burn-in. So it works kind of like a LUT box. And above of that, we also have a recording. Recording is also very easy to do. You just tap the red button on the system and you will be able to record directly into the device on internal storage, also SD card slots, also USB drive if you plug in through the USB 3.0 slots. And so the main difference between the CineView M7 and M7 Pro will be the M7 Pro has the built-in transmission functions, and the M7 here is you can use it as an on-camera monitor with proper HDMI and SDI in and outs. Also on the M7 Pro, but it's just the difference between the transmission. And as the M7 Pro, you'll be able to connect backwards to the existing Accsoon CineView TX-RX systems. So that means like including the CineView HD SD quad to the latest CineView Master 4K. It can take in up to 4K 60 and then output different resolutions or frame rates. You can easily set through the system. We are building this smart monitoring systems so that it is actually built on the Android system, and then you can be able to quick adjust everything like you're using on your mobile devices. So like easy copy and paste. Also like easy update as well because it's a Android system, so the firmware update will be a lot more easier to do. Please stay tuned on the availability and the final price at Accsoon Social. Yeah, so it's Nissy from Accsoon, NAB 2025. Stay tuned for more exciting news from this show from us, and see you next time maybe.
You will.
Yeah.
You will walk on Wednesday, and you know what that means. This show is officially done and dusted. So improv. And she's leaving everyone in the
Yeah.
See you next week.